Nicky, don't walk away from me like that. The fuck is this Grand Central Station? Who the fuck is it?
Police, open the door.
You got a warrant?
We got a complaint of assault and battery from the neighbors. Now open the door, we're taking it down.
Yeah, got me a 12-8 on my private number, man. Looks like all those guys have been handing out paid off, hey, mano?
Hey, I'm not your brother, Perez, so fuck you too.
Oh. You know, when I heard this address, man, I just couldn't resist coming here myself, you know? You know how intimidating big boys like yourself can be to some poor housey, right? So this is where you keep your girlfriends, eh, mano? It's a cheap-looking joint, if I may say so myself, man. I never did figure you for no class, but this might be pushing it. You all right, miss? Now, wait, we got a call. There were shots and things and threats, and if he's hurting you, just tell us, all right? I'm gonna make sure he doesn't come near you no more.
This is ridiculous, man. No. We were just having a little talk. It looks like you got the wrong apartment, mano. So why don't you get the fuck out of here before I sue your ass for unprovoked harassment?
You sure you're all right, miss?
She just scared. He said he gonna kill her.
What the fuck? No, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I can't win this duel. Come on. Chief, come on.
I told him to Cole be seeing James, and he got so mad he took his homeboys down to James's store and dead all them niggas.
Wait, where did you... How do you know all this?
They made me go with him to show him where James be at. They killed all them niggas.
Look, I don't know what the fuck this crazy little bastard's talking about.
I come back here because I was scared he gonna hurt my sister. He like throw me inside, yelling and all, and be pointing his gun at me and Nicky.
No, this nigga's straight up lying to you.
When you knocked, he be telling her he gonna kill her if she say something. She's scared. But I ain't scared.
Hey, you gonna listen to this crazy bullshit all night, man? Look, I ain't got nothing on me, man. Nada. I'm clean as a motherfucker.
Before you come in, he throw her under the bed.
Two.
What the fuck?
Mano, you're under fucking arrest. That's what the fuck.
Wait a second, there's something else down here. Oh, holy Christ on the cross.
No, wait a minute. That's not the shit. It's not mine, man. It's not mine. That's not my shit, man. Look, I don't know where the fuck it came from, all right?
You have the right to remain silent. You have the right to an attorney. Anything you say can and will be
Fuck
used against
you.
you in the court of law.
Get this fucker up. Look, you think I'm stupid enough to have 2 kilos lying around the fucking house? Man, I've been set up, man.
Yeah? By who? Hey, mano? This gun ain't yours, right? Those bags just fell out of the sky, right? This apartment don't belong to you, right? What? You're fucking gone, mano. Next time you're gonna see this guy, you're gonna look like fucking Rip Van Winkle. Piñera. Take this movie fucked over into the back room. Call a 3-car escort in the forensics unit, all right? Come on.